Turkish tea. All good.
More bread?
No, we are good, thank you. Hi everyone, it's Dash and May. We love to see you with another vlog, and May is doing a makeup and she's preparing for the vlogging. So
I mean, I would have done this at home, but I didn't get my eyebrows done. I wanted to make sure I was dressed up for today because we are using a new camera.
New camera. It's a GoPro 10. We bought it for the vlogging because you know why? Doing the vlog in the phone is very difficult. It's hard. So today we are gonna go to the where?
A Turkish restaurant. It's called Mado. It's in North York. I mean, it has 3.9 stars, but like I've seen it on TikTok so many times, so I thought we would give it a try.
Yeah. And she told me, I didn't try it and I didn't see the menu, and she told me that they have a lot of vegetarian options.
Oh, not a lot, but like enough for us to enjoy, I think.
Yep. So they have some vegan options too.
Yeah, vegan.
Let's go and try. Let's give a try it out. So the restaurant called, what is that?
I think it's pronounced Mado.
It's Mado Turkish restaurant. They have a Mado grand breakfast, the traditional breakfast, cozy breakfast, snack plates, omelette. After we seated, I just looked around. There are so many desserts and baklava stuff they have it. So I'm just gonna take my camera and I'm just gonna show you guys. Look at this baklava. They have too many varieties of baklava. It's a green baklava, pistachio baklava, and also they have like a small popcorn, kind of like a small snacks that I have never seen it there, and also different type of Turkish honey. And look at the pastries that they have. Too many varieties of pastries, and all kind of pretzel bread and cookies. It's like a freshly baked cookies. Everything that you can find in under one roof. And also they don't have much varieties of cakes, but they have very limited options like a tiramisu, everything that you can find, but definitely you can buy some cakes from there as well. What is the most exciting part for me is there is the ice cream bar on the right side. When you see the entrance, and many people, they just come and buy the ice cream and then they go. And they also have like a tiny boxes and all like different prices, and that you can buy for the gift purpose, and or you can buy for like, you know, whatever price that they charge for the boxes. Look at the varieties of ice cream. They have ton of varieties of ice cream. It's all like Turkish ice cream that you can find from there. And also on the right side, there are varieties of cheese and varieties of bread that you can find. It's honestly, it's like how they keep the restaurant. It's very like, you know, very cozy and like a fancy look. So when you go and when you enter, you will feel and you will have the appetite to have a good food.
It's called menemen. Okay. But if you want, I can ask, maybe they can do this without eggs.
Yeah, can we do that without
Okay,
eggs?
like, can I ask? But for the fried eggs, I'm not.
No, that I'll take.
Okay.
Yeah, I take. Okay.
First.
So yeah, we'll do that.
Sure.
These skewers, are they vegetarian or?
They're not vegetarian.
Okay, we don't want
I
that.
can change it with the only halloumi.
Okay.
That's beautiful.
That would work for it.
Of course, and since it comes with unlimited tea, would you like to have your teas now?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Perfect. Would that be everything?
For now, yeah.
Enjoy it.
Thank you so much. So guys, we got the Turkish tea. Look at that. It's a stunning color. I'll try the Turkish tea. Oh my god, so good. From the edge.
Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's here.
Thank you. Wow. The stuff is here.
Wow.
They have olives and they have a cheese and they have a fruits.
This is some kind of paste.
Kind of paste, but they have it.
This is, I think,
That's tomatoes and salad.
dessert,
There's a bread.
jam. Both are jam. Like, I think orange marmalade.
There's a
And
Nutella, orange marmalade, and raspberry jam with butter, I guess.
oh my god. Branding.
So nice. You wanna say something?
Oh my god, I'm so excited to try. Thank God we got the breakfast. We were gonna go for lunch. But this just looks delicious. Thank you.
And they have a French fries with
Halloumi.
what is that?
Halloumi, it's a type of cheese.
It's a halloumi cheese. It's a vegan anyway, right? Halloumi. I'm gonna try the halloumi. So good. What is that?
That's vegetarian. They didn't put the eggs in it. It usually comes with eggs.
Make what have
The fried.
fried egg with the bread.
The olives are to die for.
Yeah, I'm a vegan, so they give me a bread with kind of tomato sauce, but I don't know what is that in there.
There's so many items, I don't even know where to begin. And everything here is like what I would love to eat, like olives, cheese, fruit, salad, eggs.
Look at the bread, it's so soft and such a good bread. The honey and some cheese mixed together. Mmm. Pure honey. So good. How do you like it? See? And I'm gonna eat this one. It's like a minestrone soup. Yeah, but in like a thick gravy style. It's like a sambar. Dig into that. So good. How do you like the tea?
I can drink this all day.
Thank you.
More tea.
Hi guys. Honestly, I had too much food. My stomach is very full. The food quality is amazing. Honestly, it's like a top notch. The taste is amazing. They have a lot of options, and pretty much I finished everything. How do you like the egg with the bread?
Perfect. It was really well done.
Really?
Just add a bit of salt and pepper.
You had a salt and pepper.
I know, just saying, it doesn't come with salt and pepper. Just make sure you ask for it.
It's a not fried egg, right? It's a sunny side.
Sunny side or over easy?
Over easy.
Yeah. No, sunny side.
Sunny side, right?
So I finished it. I mean, before I didn't really like eggs, but after becoming a vegetarian,
Love it.
I started eating it more and then got accustomed to it.
I don't eat normally cheese and all kind of stuff. but I finished the bread and I finished the fries, and I had some curries and I had salad, then I had some fruits. So I refilled the tea. It's the second time I'm having, me is having third time.
I can drink tea all day. Probably not good, but.
Me. Seems like you're having a great time.
I'm taking my sweet time. Josh kind of got pissed at me for saying he ate too quickly, but he does eat quickly. He eats like if it's an obligation to me. I eat like it's my passion, you know? But he enjoyed.
Vlogger. So we had our Turkish breakfast. Yeah, leaving from the place. Hi baby. So we done the day from Turkish restaurant. It's called Mado. We had a great breakfast. Thanks for watching our video, guys. Please subscribe our channel. We had a great breakfast from this Turkish restaurant. Thank you so much.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.